Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles. We're going to keep talking about Overleaf and sort of how I set up papers in Overleaf. And today we're going to be talking about the lit review section. I'm going to show you guys how you can automatically cite papers in Overleaf and how you can automatically sort of print the bibliography at the end using this BibTeX package. So let's go ahead and get right into it. What I'm first going to show you is in the main sort of text file for this paper. The package that we're going to be talking about is sort of this bib latex package. Got a bunch of options in here, which I'll talk about. The most important sort of sub option is after this. You can see I've got this add bib resource and this example bib.bib. So this is this guy right here. This is what's going to store all the information about all the references or all the papers that I want to cite in this particular paper. If I didn't have this already done, what I could do is I could do a new file. And then even though it's got this text file here, you don't need to keep that. So this could be like bib2.bib. Again, this bib is important because this is the .bib file. This is the thing that Overleaf or latex is going to recognize as your bibliography file. So if we pop into this lit review section where I'm actually going to start citing some papers, there's a couple different ways or a couple different commands you can use to cite papers. Number one, you can just do /cite. Then when I do /cite, if I just erase this for a second and I type A, you can see that it's going to pull sort of all the papers in that bib file where their key starts with an A. What do I mean by the key? Well, in this bib file, the first line here, this is sort of the key. This is the thing you use to reference a particular paper. So in that lit review, when I do AAU, it's going to think about, well, these are all the papers whose key starts with AU, and I want this one right here. And that's how I generate this citation. This citation style is just author, comma, year. If I want to do an end text citation where I have the author names and then the year in parentheses, I can use cite with a T, so /cite T. And then of course, if I want to do this with multiple papers, I can just put a little comma here and then add a second paper. If I want to put parentheses around the whole citation, I'm going to use cite P or cite parentheses. And again, that's how I'm going to get sort of this Blazer and Craft citation here, as well as using multiple papers like this guy right here. Now, when I call the actual command, we've talked about a bunch of options. This is sort of how I want the citation style to look in text. This is about how I want the bibliography to sort of be sorted at the end. These three options just sort of control how it looks in the bibliography. If you've got questions about that, feel free to comment below. And so once I've sort of done all of these resources, what I'm going to do at the end, wherever I want my bibliography to go, I'm going to say /print bibliography, and then it is going to print it sort of according to the sorting and things that I talked about in the options as sort of this references page right here. Now, how do I go about adding a particular paper to this .bib file? Well, if I'm on Google Scholar, and let's say I'm looking for this paper, let's say I want to add it to my .bib, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to the cite, I'm going to click cite, and then it's got sort of these ready to go citations, but I don't want that. I want to click BibTeX right here, and then it's going to open up the BibTeX, which I can just copy and paste into my bib file. It doesn't have to be in any particular order. So here I pasted it right here, and now I'm ready to cite the paper. So this is just a way to easily automate sort of references in Overleaf and automate your bibliography. If you've got questions, feel free to put that in the comment section below. But if this video or these videos in general helping you out, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time for another case of Econ Struggles.